Hello everyone, Inspire Infotech Ranebennur. Now I am going to explain you home security system, the IR and fire detection. Components used in this model is transformer, MCU, relay, IR sensor, fire sensor, buzzer, motor drive L298, PCB board. Working principle: home security system designed to detect a unauthorized entry or a fire into a building or a area. Some alert systems service a single purpose of protection, or a combination system provide a protection against a different disturbance. It is combination of a system includes the sensor such as IR sensor, which detects the unauthorized entry, and fire sensor, which detects the fire occupation, and when they detect they send signal to the MCU. Hence, the MCU takes the actions such as starts alerting devices. Sensors may be placed at the perimeter of the protected area within it. Sensors can detect unauthorized entry by a variety of methods such as monitoring doors and windows for opening, sound, vibrations, or other disturbance. Alerting devices are most commonly buzzers, bell, sirens, or flashing lights. Alerting devices serves the dual purpose of the warning occupants of unauthorized entry and potentially scaring of. These devices may also use it to warn occupants of a gas or a smoke conditions. Advantages: security alarms are used in a residential, commercial, industrial, and military properties for a protection against the theft or a property damage. They can be used for a personal protection against the unauthorized entry. Car alarms likewise protect vehicles and their content, therefore, they can be used in any vehicles. These can be used in agriculture field also. Let's start working. If any unknown person enter the home or jump into the compound, the air sensor will detect and start buzzering. Let's see, just I move through the sensor, the buzzer will start buzzering. Now for the fire sensor, when a fire detected, the buzzer will automatically on. Fire occupation, and when they detect they send a signal to the MCU, and hence the MCU take